Welcome to the Auto Garage, where today we're diving into something truly special. A luxury on wheels that blends the sophistication of Cadillac with the freedom of a motorhome. Imagine the comfort, elegance, and power of a Cadillac, now transformed into a rolling residence designed for long adventures without sacrificing refinement. This is not just a motorhome, it's a statement of style and a symbol of traveling in ultimate class. When you first look at the Cadillac Motorhome, the design instantly stands out. Cadillac is famous for bold lines, a striking presence, and a sense of prestige, and that DNA carries right into this home on wheels. From the sculpted grille to the sleek headlights, everything is crafted to remind you that this isn't an ordinary RV. It's a Cadillac, which means luxury first. Even the stance of the vehicle gives you confidence, making it clear that this motorhome is built for both the highway and for turning heads wherever it goes. Step inside, and the story becomes even more exciting. Cadillac interiors have always been known for their leather seating, premium wood trim, and cutting-edge technology. And inside the motorhome, you'll find all of that and more. The living space feels like a luxury suite, not just a place to rest. Plush recliners, soft ambient lighting, and a seamless blend of comfort and practicality create an atmosphere where every moment of your journey feels first class. The driver's cabin is designed with Cadillac precision, offering the latest infotainment system, digital displays, and an ergonomic layout that makes long drives effortless. The kitchen area is fully equipped with modern appliances, so whether you're preparing a quick snack or cooking a gourmet dinner, everything is right at your fingertips. Stainless steel finishes and high-end cabinetry bring the Cadillac design philosophy into the kitchen, creating a space that feels both stylish and functional. Moving to the bedroom, you'll discover a comfortable, spacious retreat designed for relaxation. Memory foam bedding, climate control, and privacy shades ensure that you rest as if you're in a five-star hotel. Another highlight is the bathroom area. Cadillac has gone above and beyond in making sure this motorhome doesn't just offer convenience, but also comfort. Premium fixtures, a walk-in shower, and clever storage solutions mean you won't feel like you're sacrificing anything while traveling. Everything is built with precision and elegance, making daily routines as smooth as they would be at home. Technology also plays a huge role in this motorhome. From advanced driver assistance features that help you on long trips to entertainment systems that keep passengers engaged, Cadillac has infused innovation throughout the entire design. Large screens, surround sound, and connectivity options mean that whether you're working on the road, enjoying a movie night, or simply streaming music, everything feels modern and effortless. Of course, performance is another Cadillac strength. This motorhome is powered by an engine built to handle long distances while maintaining smoothness and efficiency. The ride quality is quiet and stable, reminding you that Cadillac's engineering has always focused on comfort without losing power. Handling is refined, giving drivers confidence even when navigating larger highways or tight spaces. The Cadillac Motorhome isn't just about traveling, it's about elevating the entire experience. It's perfect for families who want to explore the open road without losing luxury, for couples looking to embrace adventure with sophistication, or for anyone who believes that every journey should feel extraordinary. So, when you think about road trips, camping, or cross-country exploration, imagine doing it all in Cadillac style. This motorhome isn't just transportation, it's a lifestyle choice, one that blends freedom with class. At the Auto Garage, we bring you the most exciting vehicles from around the world, and this Cadillac Motorhome proves that travel can be as glamorous as it is practical.